alam niyo lang guys, pangarap ko to simula bata ko. Alam mo yung feeling na nagmamadali ka, pero gusto mo magpicture.
When you speak the language, it only means that they have conquered you. Hello there, pretty.
Yeah!
The best.
Good morning. We are here in Ontario International Airport. Wait, joke. Is it International Airport? Basta Ontario Airport. It's near the place we stay in. And we're about to go to New York, our dream destination. So we only had, I think, 1 hour of sleep. But yeah, we're very excited. Ang bilis lang ng check-in dito kasi pagdating mo sa airport, kailangan mong mag-print ng bag tag. Dito yung printing ng bag tag. Yan. And then, dinala lang namin yung bag namin dun. Sobrang bilis. So, hindi ko na alam kung nung next na gagawin namin. Pupunta na kami sa gate namin. We're boarding at 5:20. So, yun. We are on time. Gate 206 for Alaska 1091. Going to Seattle. So, connecting flight kami. From Ontario to Seattle, going to Newark Liberty Airport. Kiniklaim nila na itong airport daw na to ay yung fastest security system. And totoo nga. Kasi pagbaba pa lang namin, konti lang yung lakad, dito na agad. Parang 5 minutes lang nandito na kami sa gate namin. Diba? Sana all. It's a small airport pero very efficient. Tapos nandito ka na kaagad. Diba? Usually sa Pilipinas, kailangan 2.5 hours ka before flight, nandito na. Ang bilis lang. Bilis ng bag drop. Kami agad. Ang bilis ng security. Tapos yung boarding pass, sinascan lang yung QR code. Ang bilis. Galing. Ano masasabi mo?
Ang bilis.
Gutom na siya. Dunkin agad yung nakita niya. May Dunkin Donut kasi dito. Pero may baon naman kami. So, dito sa airport, since it's small, konti lang yung mga stores. Like, mayroong convenience store, pizza, and gastropub doon. Kwento ko pala sa inyo. Kahapon is our day 5 kasi we just spent it at home sa bahay ng best friend ko sa Riverside. And then, naglaba lang kami kasi hindi kami nag-overpack. Talagang may intention kami to do laundry para mas marami tayong mauwi. Mas marami tayong mabili. Yun talagang totoo. So, ayun nga. Tapos, wala lang. Ginawa lang namin the whole day. Ako, nag-work ako. Gumawa ako ng content. May mga deliverables. Sumama ka sa vlog. Tapos, ngingiti lang siya. Kausapin natin sila. Tapos, nung hapon, after lunch, natulog kami.
I had a meeting.
Nag-meeting siya. Tapos, nag-dinner kami. Tapos, yung dinner namin with Marga's family, brothers and sisters, yung mga friends namin, mga schoolmates namin. It's nice seeing them. Sobrang nakakamiss. Tapos, makikita mo talagang tumatanda. Anyway, sobrang excited kami kasi si Japet, yung asawa ng best friend, sobrang galing mag-grill ng steak. So, we had steak last night.
Was it grilled?
Yeah, it was grilled. Sobrang
Grilled liempo and steak.
Yung liempo na yun, ano yun, recipe yun ni Marga. Tapos yung pag-marinate, grabe talaga. Mas masarap pa sa Wolfgang tsaka sa Mamo.
Yeah, that's
I swear, hindi ako nagbibiro. No bias at all. But I really enjoyed it. So, we requested na on our last day here in the US, yun ulit ang kakainan. Magsi-steak ulit kami. So, I'm very excited. But anyway, yun. Yun lang naman ang ginawa namin. We only had an hour of sleep. So, excited kami for New York. Yun lang. Later. We're going to Seattle. So, it's still 5 a.m. Kaya matutulog muna kami dahil mahaba-haba pa tong biyahe na to. 2 hours going to Seattle from here and then connecting flight going to Newark Airport. We have just landed here in Seattle and that was the most turbulent ride I've ever experienced. Super windy. Alam mo yun, nakahawak na ako sa asawa ko ng mahigpit. Tapos dasal na ako ng dasal ng Hail Mary, Hail Mary. St. Joseph, Memorare, Our Father, Angel of God, paulit-ulit. Kasi As in, yung baba niya talagang parang kang nasa roller coaster ride. Para siyang yung Guardians of the Galaxy na sinakyan namin sa Disney California Park. Ganon katindi yung plane ride namin kanina. And when we landed, we saw how windy it was. Sobrang windy talaga. Sabi ko, ayoko na maulit to mamaya. Hindi ako nakatulog sa plane. It was 2-hour plane ride going here from California, from Ontario, California. Sabi ko matutulog ako, pero hindi ako nakatulog. Nanood na lang ako ng Conclave, yung fictional movie about Pope and all. Natapos ko siya. Sobrang anxious ko kanina. So, yun. Anyway, nakita ko na yung ano namin dito. Gate namin, N6. Dito lang siya. So, hindi kami paglalakarin. Yun ang maganda sa mga small airports like this. Hindi ganun ka layo. Hindi katulad sa atin, ang dami mong lalakarin. So, super lamig. Kanina pagbaba namin ng plane, dun pa lang dun sa tube, pagka gumanong ka, ayan, meron pa. Meron kang makikitang smoke kasi ganun siya kalamig. Naka-heat tech ako sa loob, tas itong sweater, tas pati yung legs ko naka-heat tech din. Tas Uniqlo pants. Ano bang temperature dito ngayon? Wait, let's check. Kaya pala, high wind warning. Kaya pala sobrang lakas ng hangin. Yung eroplano talaga parang, ayoko na ma-experience yun ever. So, high wind warning pa rin until later. So, sana yung pag-take off naman namin is smooth. Magte-take off kami ng 11. 10 o'clock ang boarding. Lagi ako sa carry-on luggage ko. May dalang bubble jacket, shawl, gloves, meron akong beanie, meron akong extra clothes, yung travel altar ko nandito, toiletries ko nandito, mask kasi mask can add additional protection for your face pag gininaw. Wala akong ka-makeup kasi tinatamad ako kasi pagdating namin mamaya gabi naman na. So, sa California, minus 3 hours. Pagdating namin doon, sa New York, plus 3 hours. Parang nilalaro namin yung oras. Ang galing, no? Kanina, habang nasa plane, sa sobrang anxious ko, iniisip ko, kukunin na ba kami ni Lord sa sobrang turbulent ng ride? Hindi pa ako ready. Kung hindi ko malang nabigay yung password ng ATM ko sa parents ko, sa kapatid ko. Baka hindi nila makuha yung laman. Wow, alam mo naman ganun kalaki. How's you, mahal? Nakatulog na yan, eh.
Nakatulog ba ako?
Oo, nakaganon ka the whole time. Departing na pala kami ng 10:11, so ang boarding namin ay 9:31 a.m. 30 minutes na lang pala hintayin namin, magbo-board na pala kami. Kala ko 2 hours pa. Which is good. Ay nako, sana hindi na ganun ka turbulent. Nakaka-anxious talaga. Ikaw, hindi ka kinabahan?
Kinabahan naman.
Ang higpit nung hawak ko sa kanya, talagang nakaganon ako. You always pray before and during your flight and after your flight to thank the Lord that you've landed safely. Always pray. Don't forget about that. We just arrived here in Newark. Liberty International Airport here in New York. We are in New York now. We're about to get our check-in luggage. Tig-isa lang kami ng check-in. Dalawang iniwan namin na malaking luggage sa California. So, we're about to get our luggage sa baggage claim. Okay naman yung flight. Hindi masyadong matagtag like yung first flight namin kanina. We're very excited. Ay, nakalabas na yung bubble jacket ko kasi malamig sa labas. Mag-Uber kami going to my friend's place. Doon kami magsistay for 5 days. Tapos, yun, mura lang yung Uber dito. Parang Cubao to ano lang, Naiya, ganun. Ganun yung presyo. So, 20 minutes away from here. Ito lang yung airport nila. May marami namang signs na nakalagay saan pupunta. Marami restaurants dito. Yung souvenir shops, ganyan. Thank you, Lord. We're here. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. There you go. That's my new purple luggage, Blue Whale from Legend Walker. Diba ang ganda niya? Guys, mali pala ako. Itong Newark ay nasa New Jersey. Eh, alam niyo naman ang New Jersey at saka New York, magkatabi lang yun. Magkalapit lang yun. So, this is like 20 minutes away from New York. Ito kasi yung mas malapit sa bahay ng friend namin. Kaya, dito kami nagland. Tonight, I'm gonna take you to Times Square. Doon kami pupunta. Or downtown New York. Doon kami magdi-dinner. Late dinner later. We're here at the Uber station. Waiting for our Uber. New York City! The city that never sleeps. Ganda, man! Puro kami dito. Ano?
Grabe ang ganda, as in.
Kausapin mo sila.
Starstruck. Starstruck.
These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire. We are in Broadway. Hamilton. Pardon me, are you Aaron Burr, sir? Hell's Kitchen. On the left is Wicked, and then Sunset Boulevard. Betty Boop? Musical? Wow! Grabe! Kung marami lang akong pera, manonood ako lahat niyan. As in, hindi ko afford lahat yan. Pero ang goal is makapanood ng kahit isa lang na Broadway show, which we will watch on Friday. Kung alam niyo lang guys, pangarap ko to simula bata ko. Makapanood ako ng Broadway show dito sa Broadway, New York City. So, pauwi na kami. Nagpicture-picture lang kami sa Times Square. Tapos, tinignan namin yung Broadway. Kasi yun naman talaga yung pangarap ko. Tawid, tawid. Tawid, tawid, tawid. Good morning from New Jersey. We're leaving New Jersey for New York. Riding the bus. Going to our meet up for the Statue of Liberty cruise. First time na yung makikita si Statue of Liberty. We booked it from Klook, of course, kaya huwag nyo kalimutan. Pag magbubook kayo ng attraction tickets or anything, just use Klook app and then use my discount code MAINKLOOK. We're just waiting for the bus to arrive. 3 minutes daw. Sobrang lamig ng hangin, as in. Nanginginig na yung kamay ko. So, after nito, lalagay ko na yung kamay ko sa jacket ko kasi sobrang lamig. Tapos, it's just like 20 minutes away from New York lang naman tong New Jersey. So, bus and train kami today. Alam mo, makita mo nasa Amerika ka talaga, pero ang problema dito sa New Jersey and New York, madumi talaga. May mga basura sa paligid, ganyan. Pero okay lang naman. Kamusta naman, mahal, ang tulog mo?
Okay na okay. Ang lamig.
Ang lamig, oo. Pero warm naman pag natutulog sa gabi kasi naka-warmers
Oh, yes.
din kami.
Tsaka we have cool warmer socks.
Yes. Thank you so much to our dear friends for providing warmer socks for us. Pero mamaya bibili kami ng hand warmers kasi parang alam mo yun yung extra heat, yung parang pag hinawakan mo nasa loob ng jacket mo mainit siya ganun. Our first activity for the day is Statue of Liberty Cruise. As afternoon, mag-Oculus kami and 9/11 Memorial. Bye! So we're walking towards the sakayan ng ferry, going to the Statue of Liberty. Sabi sa amin ng friend namin, wag muna kami mag-stop kasi alam na yung magagandahan kami dito kasi nga nakita namin yung World Trade Center. Oh my gosh, sobrang ganda. So we're just following Google Maps kasi binook namin lahat sa Klook. Sasabihin sa'yo kung saan ka sasakay at saka sino yung imi-meet mo. We're walking along Wall Street. Alam mo yung feeling na nagmamadali ka pero gusto mo magpicture. Ang hirap, besh! We made it. This is the meeting point for the Statue of Liberty, One Battery Park Plaza. Ayan. Pag binook nyo sa Klook, ito ang meeting place dito sa Starbucks. Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda dito. We're about to ride the ferry. Kakatapos lang ng security. Gloves off, jackets off, lahat ng valuables nakalagay dun sa train na yun. Hindi pwede. Sobrang strict ng security dito upon entering the cruise going to the Statue of Liberty. You can see it from here.
So, dito sa boat, meron kayong pwedeng mabili if you want snacks or souvenirs. They've got it here. They even have this what do you call it? Turbans?
Kahit sobrang lamig para sa inyo, iba-vlog natin to. Ang lamig-lamig. So we are here in the Liberty Island. And then after this, we're going to the Ellis Island. Picture lang kami dito. Yeah.
It has 25 windows across the crown. It represents all minerals found on Earth.
Sabi niya, kaya siya nandyan at nakaharap siya dyan kasi wini-welcome niya lahat ng mga immigrants, lahat ng mga dumadayo dito. Tapos kaya siya ganyan at may ilaw siya kasi siya yung nagsisandulo ng parang magiging ilaw para sa lahat.
Yeah.
Tapos siya yung nagbibigay ng parang simbolo ng kapayapaan at kalayaan. So parang lahat ng mga tao na pumupunta dito, parang siya yung nag-guide at sasabi sa mga tao na dito may experience niyo yung freedom. That's why she's facing there, not facing anywhere.
Yeah,
But
facing
that's
there.
the gateway kasi this is the gateway to where people are coming from, all different parts. So the immigrants are here, so she's welcoming everyone and telling everyone that this is a place where you can experience liberty and this is a place where you can experience freedom.
Okay, to the right you have a gift shop to the right,
Okay.
and included with your ticket is an audio guide.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
okay.
Yes. Yeah, we want that. Ang galing na asawa ko mag-explain, no? Siya na lang kaya mag-vlog.
Yeah. So sabi pa ng tour guide namin, there's a reason why she has 7 rays doon sa may crown niya at saka may 25 na windows doon sa taas. Kasi ang 7 rays daw is actually representing the 7 continents. Tapos 25 na windows represents the 25 minerals that were found during that time.
So we're about to get our audio tour. And then, we're going inside the Statue of Liberty Museum. It comes
Kasi
with a ticket.
nandun pa daw yung
Original
na
torch.
Yes,
Yes.
kasi kailangan lang nilang i-remove because of the oxidation. And
Yes.
then, yung original na color ng Statue of
Makikita
Liberty,
rin dun sa
makikita din
loob.
dun.
So, gumawa kami ng Liberty Wall here, which our pictures were taken. And then, it's gonna come out here in the Liberty Wall. We also picked what does liberty mean to us. Ayan kami, oh. That's us. So, guys, this is the original torch of the Statue of Liberty. They had to put it out kasi mabilis daw mag-oxidize. Marie, what did you learn in the museum?
Amazing. She's an emblem of hope. She stands for justice and liberty. And she is a light of hope to everyone who comes into America finding a beautiful future in their lives.
Hindi talaga na asawa ko mag-summarize. Now we're off to the statue itself para makapagpa-picture kami doon. Diyan, ayan.
Yeah, gusto ko magpa-picture sa kanya kasi ngayon naintindihan ko na kung
Look,
sino
oh.
siya,
Meron
ano siya,
pang-
at
Oh my
ano
God, tinan mo,
ang
tinan mo.
sinisimbolo.
Pinaglalaban
Meron pang
niya.
sa ano niya.
Sinisimbolo niya.
Yeah,
Amazing. Ito yung nagagawa pag
hindi ninanakaw ang pera ng bansa,
Correct.
nakakapaggawa talaga ng isang simbolo na magre-represent ng bawat tao, bawat Pilipino. Galing.
kaso ninanakaw eh. Tapos boto tayo ng boto ng mga magnanakaw eh. Tsaka ng mga korap eh.
Ay, nako.
Boto pa more, guys! New York City. In New York!
Hello there, pretty.
Hello there, Lady Liberty. We are here in Ellis Island. Nakita nating dining area.
It's a cafeteria where all the immigrants are eating before.
Yeah. It's the same.
Tapos hanggang ngayon yun pa rin.
Yun pa rin. Yeah.
Every month, they dedicate this section to either a group, an ethnic group. This month is Black History Month. So they're going to have all those Black Americans who contributed to the culture. You have your doctors and you have your surgeons. For instance, October was Halloween. we celebrate Halloween. So the first Dracula, Frankenstein, also the actor arrived here.
Oh.
And you know, New York is noted for the Empire State Building and King Kong. Yes. King Kong. King Kong had a lady in the palm of his hands. Okay, her name was Fay Ray. She also arrived here on Ellis Island, so we had her picture here.
Why there's pride when you're in New York.
Yeah.
Because the very first
Capital
of America
is New York.
There's a museum called the Tenement Museum. What they did to the buildings where all these immigrants used to live, they converted them into museums. So they come here and you couldn't displace an American from their jobs. So you're Irish, they spoke English because of the British presence in Northern Ireland.
So, the Americans, sabi niyang ni Vivian kanina, they had one goal, one language.
Yeah.
Isa lang ibig sabihin yun. When they speak the language, when you speak the language, it only means that they have conquered you.
Yeah.
Because they want to be great.
Make America great.
Make America great.
Yeah.
Grabe, no?
Powerful.
Yun talaga yun eh. You have to conquer them.
Yeah.
And they have to speak your language.
So,
ang ginawa nila, they went to every country, to every state, to every place that they can go. They teach their language. May tinawag pa sila kanina na Americanization School. Ibig sabihin, they are going to teach you their language. So, ang talino, ang galing talaga. Kaya, America is a great country.
yeah. So, what is here in the Ellis Island? Why is it necessary to go here when you visit New York?
Well, lahat kasi ng mga immigrants dito dumadaan. Before they enter New
Yeah.
York, this is the place where sineseparate yung mga pasado. Dito sila ini-interview. Kumbaga parang ito
Dito
yung
sila sinasala.
sinasala kung papasok sila or hindi. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung Ellis Island. Ano natin? Parang Bureau of, ano yun? Yung immigration
Immigration,
natin.
oo.
Yes, ito yung immigration. So, dito lahat ng mga tao papasok.
Dito manggagaling.
Yes. Tapos meron silang stairs of separation kasi hindi lahat ng pamilya pag pumasok dito ay sabay-sabay or pareho or nakakapasok sila ng pareho. So, they had to go through the stairs of separation. And pag nag-separate na sila at hindi sila lahat makakasabay, may certain area lang where they can say goodbye at yung tawag sa area na yun ay kissing
Place. Yes.
Dati pa lang talaga, may plano na silang i-conquer ang buong mundo. Tsaka, nakakatuwa kasi talagang this place is a place for everyone to chase their dreams. Kasi meron nga dito yung lugar for yung may Chinatown na dito matagal na.
May Little Italy, may Little India.
So this is a place of opportunity. Itong ceiling na to. Grand yung ceiling. So ito din daw ang ceiling sa
Grand Central?
Grand Central.
Yung train station.
Yes, ito rin yung ceiling. It's the same person who made this. Tapos, ang nag-design nito at gumawa nito is also the same person na gumawa ng City Hall nila na katabi ng Brooklyn Bridge. Yes.
This is the famous charging bull. It's actually a symbol of prosperity and optimism, representing Wall Street and the financial district. You know you're in New York when you see this charging bull. Siyempre, may mga nagbebenta na rin. Yan. Ng collector's item, ng charging bull. Hanap muna kami ng makakainan dahil alauna na at gutom na ako. So we're walking along Broadway. Mahaba naman tong Broadway. This is actually a financial district, tong area na to. Kaya malapit din dito yung Wall Street. Behind us is New York Stock Exchange. And we're very fortunate that Nu Skin is actually listed here.
Publicly listed
In the New York Stock Exchange. So, if you have been supporting our Nu Skin business, it's legitimate. It's real. Sabi sa Google, ito daw yung isa sa mga best pizzas. Traditas Pizza. So, let's try. Ano yan? Cheese. Kasi ito, Chicken Caesar. Look at that pizza. It's so stuffed. So ito, may salad ka na, may pizza ka pa. I love that it's thin crust. Painitin niya para crispy. How is it, mahal? Really good, right? Good choice, good choice. And a lot of people are coming here. So maybe alam nila na masarap talaga dito sa Traditas Pizza. Kaya, yay! Busog na ako, may energy na ako. We're now going to
Oculus.
Yes, and 9/11. Ano ba makikita doon? Picture, tsaka ano, syempre 9/11 Memorial, alam na natin yan. Exciting! Look at this, guys. This is where structure. So ito na nga yung Oculus. And then this is the World Trade Center. Okay.
9/11 Memorial.
Liberty Park. Tapos St. Nicholas National Shrine. So yan ang pupuntahan natin today. Sa taas niyan is the World Trade Center. So tapos tayo sa Oculus. Ganun lang kabilis yan. Ito na yun eh. Picture-picture lang yan. Sa loob niyan may shops. Tapos dyan din kami lumabas kanina. Nag-train kami. Papunta na kami sa 9/11 Memorial. Napakalamig. Ang daming pagpicturean dito. Ito pa lang, sobrang ganda ng Oculus. Tapos may mga wildlife wonders pa na ganyan. 9/11 na Memorial. Tapos ito yung museum. Hindi na kami papasok sa museum para libre. So these are the people who died in the World Trade Center 9/11. So nakalagay siya sa buong pool na to. Dito nakatayo yung World Trade Center before.
Wow.
Simple beauty. Where to next?
Brooklyn.
We're gonna go to the Brooklyn Bridge. Sana wala masyadong tao, pero I doubt it kasi maganda yung weather. Sabi nila hindi daw ganun kalamig, pero for us, ginaw na kami. Yan. Behind me is the World Trade Center. Dito sa New York, usong-uso ang mga food carts.
Brother!
Papunta na kami sa Brooklyn Bridge. Pagod na kami, kaya pahinga muna kami dito, buti merong upuan. Brooklyn Bridge! You know you're in New York when you go here, the Brooklyn Bridge. So nilakad namin yung kahabaan ng Brooklyn Bridge kasi we're going to Dumbo. Isa rin sa mga photo spots na popular in New York. Here we are at Dumbo. This is a famous tourist spot because of the view. Yeah, look at that. Siyempre, makikipicture tayo dyan, di ba? Dito ka na sa New York eh. Might as well. Ito yung other side of the Brooklyn Bridge and the Manhattan Bridge. Yeah.
Kanina hindi na gumagalaw dun eh, sa may main area. Ano yung sabi ka gabi, mahal? Meron ka ng toll na babayaran.
Nagpipicture. We're gonna watch Book of Mormon. It's our first Broadway show. Guys, I'm inside the theater and I'm so excited to watch. We are on the second floor. Bawal mag-record syempre, no? Theater etiquette. Don't record anything. But yeah, so excited. The best.
Amazing. Book of Mormon.
Anong masasabi mo sa Book of Mormon?
Galing, sobra.
Galing, no?
The musicality, sobrang galing.
Yung dancing, yung cast,
dancing.
lahat sila lang ang cast.
Actually,
Tapos multiple roles.
Yeah, tsaka yung story itself.
Yung story,
It's,
actually, yeah.
It's gonna change your perspective of what you wanted to do and what God asks you to do.
Oh, but you have to remember that this is a funny musical. So
Yeah.
if you're easily offended with anything, this won't work for you. So you have to be really open-minded when you watch this.
Yeah.
Grabe, sulit yung bayad namin. As in, kanina lang namin to binook. Tas
Galing
sulit
talaga,
talaga. Galing. One of the best musicals I've ever watched. 9 Tony Awards, including Best Musical. So it speaks a lot. It's a classic. Hindi naman to nadala sa Pilipinas ever.
Correct.
Kaya pinanood namin.
Sobrang galing. Amazing.
Yeah, ang galing. Standing ovation sila. Ang dami naghihiyawan. Sobrang galing. It's really a must.
Yeah.
Eating late night dinner here at Ellen's Stardust Dining. Mga kumakanta dito yung mga staff musical. Yun. Order lang kami maikli para mabusog kami. Medyo may pila sa labas kanina. So, kilalang kilala to sa New York. Malapit sa Times Square, malapit sa Broadway.
Because we're together.